Dr. Joshua. Together with my group, we have just focused on the solution of health solution, which is more based on the name of the solution is Afya Kiganjani. It's mainly concerned with solving the issue of a patient to waste a lot of time when he goes or she goes to the hospital, the waiting time to wait for the health service. So our project came with the solution that a person can do all the manual or the initial steps of acquiring the service, like being to register in the system. Then after registering the system, the person will be able to access the service he or she needs according to the services which are present in the hospital. Then he or she will be able to contact with the doctor directly, first by having the appointment. He will ask for the appointment, then he will be arranged the appointment and then given the ID. After that, what will just remain is just the treatment. So according to the appointment, he will be appointed maybe to go after 1 day or 2 days. Then after from that, we will just go. So the mainly point of this project is to solve the waiting time. So a person will just do whatever the initial steps at home. Then when he goes to the hospital or to meet with the doctor, we just go directly with the point of the problem. So according to the sponsors, we have used the OTP and SMS given by BRIC, and it has fastened the sending of SMS, which the patient will use and will be able to be notified through the normal SMS. And also the point of payment. So if a patient asks for the health service, then he will be needed to pay. And the payment, according to the sponsor, we have used the Tembo APIs, payment APIs, which will fasten the payment issues. That's all, and we are really happy with this fintech, and we would like to join more and more like these hackathons. Thank you.